visiting my sister's house. It's way past my bedtime. We're gonna try to find me a gown to wear for this wedding I need to attend, and I don't have anything to wear, so I figured I would raid her plethora of a closet. So pretty. This is nice, but I don't think this will fit me.
Try it.
It's extra small in the Lovers and Friends. It fits.
Ah.
Oh my gosh, more home requirement. It fits. I'm happy. Okay, I'll try this one because this is so cute.
No, anak, good na. You see, Igor, look at me.
Oh!
Yeah, no, wear this. That's better.
This is cute. It's a lot less comfy.
Yeah, see? Kanina lang dits. Mas nindot dits.
Okay.
Just bring both
What
so
if
you
I
can
fall?
decide later.
Oh, dang. This is it.
Just bring both. But at least you have an option. You can even wear one to the welcome and that to the
Yeah, sige, ano na lang.
Yeah. From your room, can you see the people?
The people?
Yeah, so you can gauge what they're wearing.
Ah. Thank you.
You're welcome. My gosh, I get Kiko.
Laying on the sofa, cup of orange juice in my hand, waiting for some thunder, fireworks, some fun, man. I haven't been feeling it lately.
I took a quick shower. I've decided to go with this dress. I'll show you the full outfit later on. We're gonna go with a simpler makeup look today. I'm gonna try to use the camera monitor as my mirror, cause otherwise, oh my gosh, my brain is like so slow. Never mind. I'll be using this.
Put all your stuff away and check out for the day. There's no time to waste when it's 100 degrees. Burns under my feet. Won't you have it?
I'm breaking out a bit, which isn't great. It's just that time of the month.
Won't you have a drink with me? We head into town, see what it's about.
Alright, I'm happy with my base. So I'm gonna switch to doing my hair because I don't want it to dry and then I won't be able to style it properly. I just cut my hair, so I'm not like super sure how to style this yet, but let's figure it out together. I know it looks a little crazy right now, but see how much this side has died down already? It's a little difficult to do because all I have is this teeny tiny travel mirror. That's not bad, I think. It'll do. Alright, finishing the makeup.
Love gets another chance. Pretty people holding hands, uplifted by the night, the way that it should be.
You know what else I forgot? All of my brow products. Amazing! I have no idea how that happened. I remember packing my kilay stuff, and yet none of it is here. How in the world did that happen?
There's a heat wave, yeah. There's a party in the streets and the city's on fire. There's a party in the streets and the city's on fire.
Okay, we're running a little late, but I wanted to show you the full outfit. Ta-da! Cute, no? Alright, let's get going. Good morning. We woke up early to join a yoga class. They were supposed to have like a free yoga class by the cliffside, you know, that sort of thing. Turns out the yoga instructor isn't available today. So I'm not gonna waste the morning where I woke up early. I'm just gonna work out on my own in the gym instead.
I thought you loved me. Ooh, I honestly thought that you loved me. So why would you make me go to stupid parties with your homies? When you know I'm way too shy to function right. When you know I'll probably mess up your night, baby. Ooh, I really need for you to save me. 'Cause right now everybody's dancing, going crazy, kinda rap along with Jay-Z, but I'm feeling kinda spacey. I just wanna head home. I don't wanna talk to anybody. I don't wanna know your hobbies, so
Day 2 of Bohol wedding beach getaways. Oh, I need to get ready for the wedding itself. Sunblock, because the ceremony's at 4 p.m. Oh, sun's coming in. Nice. It was feeling a little dark. I feel like my skin is a little worse for wear today. For some reason, oh, wow. Hang on. Here we go. For some reason, I'm breaking out here. And I have like this weird cut on my eye, on my eyelid. No idea how I got that. But hopefully, a little concealer will fix that. Okay, I did my base pretty much the same as yesterday. So today, we're gonna have a little bit more fun with the eyeshadow, I think. I think I can go a little bit darker on my makeup. And it'll be fine because everyone's getting their makeup done. So everyone's gonna have like a little bit more makeup today compared to yesterday. Also, I don't really know what I'm doing. I just kind of like playing. So, you know, if you're a professional makeup artist, please don't come for me because I don't know what I'm doing. You're supposed to blend your eyeshadow into your nose bridge. Like so. Obviously, I don't know how to contour, so I'm just making this up. FYI. I think I want to go deeper. Like do a deeper pink color because I just love this color. Just to really emphasize that color. Also, it doesn't help that my room isn't getting a lot of light right now. I have a friend who actually purchased like a photography light, like one of those small photography LED lights, to take with her when she travels. For situations like this. It's so smart. I wish I had done the same because then I would just have that now. I guess it looks nice. This is what I'm looking at from this angle. It looks like a lot. Oh no. Stop adding though. Little sparkle never hurt anybody. Right in the middle. Ooh. That's funny. I hate glitter for arts and crafts and stuff because it gets everywhere and then you can't get rid of it. It's just so messy to work with. But I love a little sparkle on my eyes, which you can't see because it's too dark in this room. Somebody asked me this once because I wear a lot of like pink eyeshadow. So like, doesn't it make your eyes look like you have some kind of eye infection? And I think the trick to that is eyeliner. As long as you're defining your eyelids with eyeliner, it doesn't give you that you've rubbed your eyelids raw look. It's not a good idea to be looking at the little monitor on my camera for this because I can't gauge how much I'm putting on. Don't know what's happening upstairs. I think they're playing some kind of house music or something. I don't know if you can hear that. Here is the makeup look done. I'm just gonna put on a little lipstick. Okay, time for hair. Show us your outfit. So pretty. Okay. So I decided to go with hair down because I couldn't figure out how to do hair up. I gave up. This is the look for today. All right, let's go to the wedding.